Global demand for DuPont Tyvek continues to grow worldwide in all of our key end-use markets, said Rose Lee, President, DuPont Safety. This capacity expansion plan is a critical step in growing the Tyvek business, maintaining our leadership in nonwoven materials, and delivering the innovation customers expect from DuPont. According to industry estimates, the global segments for potential Tyvek use total several $billion. A world leader in nonwoven technology, in 2017 DuPont celebrated the 50th anniversary of DuPont Tyvek, a unique nonwoven material made of 100% high-density polyethylene that has enabled new dimensions of protection, security and safety in a wide variety of industries and applications. Core segments include building envelope solutions, such as Tyvek Home Wrap, Tyvek Commercial Wrap, DuPont Flashing Systems and Tyvek Protect to create more comfortable, energy-efficient buildings with fewer chances for moisture damage caused by water buildup, Tyvek Protective Garments, which provide superior protection for workers in industrial and clean room applications and for first responders. Companies around the world use more than 200 million Tyvek garments per year. Tyvek for medical packaging, widely used to help protect patients in healthcare settings. Since its introduction to the medical device industry more than 45 years ago, Tyvek has been recognized as a standard of excellence for sterile device packaging. Tyvek for graphics and protective packaging, used in meters and diversified, specialty applications, including cargo covers for pharmaceuticals and perishables, and as a substrate for envelopes, tags, labels, banners, wristbands, maps and artwork. Tyvek has had a tremendous impact across numerous industries, resulting in the creation of new categories of products, such as house wrap, which helped revolutionize home construction, setting new standards for personal protective apparel, enabling advancements in medical device technology, and playing an important role in many other applications. DuPont, along with its customers, continue to develop new Tyvek products and applications to meet evolving marketplace needs. Designers of consumer products for lighting and fashion accessories and apparel are increasingly demanding Tyvek for their products because of its lightweight durability and texture. For greater good is the promise of the DuPont Tyvek brand. Tyvek can provide the trusted protective barrier people need so they can worry less and focus on accomplishing bigger things, making the greater good possible. Photos of Tyvek applications may be downloaded from the Tyvek Media Center. About DuPont Safety. About Dow DuPont Specialty Products Division. Dow DuPont Specialty Products, a division of Dow DuPont NYSE, DWDP, is a global innovation leader with technology-based materials, ingredients and solutions that help transform industries and everyday life. Our employees apply diverse science and expertise to help customers advance their best ideas and deliver essential innovations in key markets including electronics, transportation, building and construction, health and wellness, food and worker safety. Dow DuPont intends to separate the Specialty Products Division into an independent, publicly traded company. More information can be found www.dow-dupont.com. About Dow DuPont. Dow DuPont NYSE, DWDP, is a holding company comprised of the Dow Chemical Company and DuPont with the intent to form strong, independent, publicly traded companies in agriculture, materials science and specialty product sectors that will lead their respective industries through productive, science-based innovation to meet the needs of customers and help solve global challenges. For more information, please visit us at www.dow-dupont.com. Cautionary statement about forward-looking statements. This communication contains forward-looking statements within the meaning of the federal securities laws, including Section 27A of the Securities Act of 1933, as amended, and Section 21E of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934, as amended. In this context, forward-looking statements often address expected future business and financial performance and financial condition, and often contain words such as expect, anticipate, intend, plan, believe, seek, see, will, would, target, similar expressions, and variations or negatives of these words. On December 11, 2015, the Dow Chemical Company, Dow, and E. DuPont Dynamo & Company, DuPont announced entry into an agreement and plan of merger, as amended on March 31, 2017, the merger agreement, under which the companies would combine in an all-stock merger of equals transaction, the merger transaction. Effective August 31, 2017, the merger transaction was completed and each of Dow and DuPont became subsidiaries of DowDuPont Inc. DowDuPont. For more information, please see each of Dow's and DuPont's latest annual, quarterly and current reports on Forms 10-K, 10-Q and 8-K, as the case may be, and the joint proxy statement, prospectus included in the registration statement on Form S-4 filed by DowDuPont with the SEC on March 1, 2016, File No. 333-209-869, as last amended on June 7, 2016, and declared effective by the SEC on June 9, 2016, the registration statement, in connection with the merger transaction. Forward-looking statements by their nature address matters that are, to different degrees, uncertain, including the intended separation of DowDuPont's agriculture, materials science and specialty products businesses in one or more tax-efficient transactions on anticipated terms, the intended business separations. Forward-looking statements are not guarantees of future performance and are based on certain assumptions and expectations of future events which may not be realized. Forward-looking statements also involve risks and uncertainties, many of which are beyond the company's control. Some of the important factors that could cause Dow's or DuPont's actual results to differ materially from those projected in any such forward-looking statements include, but are not limited to, a successful integration of the respective agriculture, materials science and specialty products businesses of Dow and DuPont, including anticipated tax treatment, unforeseen liabilities, future capital expenditures, revenues, expenses, earnings, productivity action, obtaining required regulatory approvals or clearances related to the intended business separations, disruptions in the financial markets or other potential barriers. The risk that disruptions from the intended business separations will harm DowDuPont's business either directly or as conducted by and through Dow or DuPont, including current plans and operations. The ability to retain and hire key personnel. Potential adverse reactions or changes to business relationship. These risks, as well as other risks associated with the merger and the intended business separations, are more fully discussed in 1. The registration statement and 2. The current quarterly and annual reports filed with the SEC by DowDuPont and to the extent incorporated by reference into the registration statement by Dow and DuPont. While the list of factors presented here is, and the list of factors presented in the registration statement are, considered representative, no such list should be considered to be a complete statement of all potential risks and uncertainties. Unlisted factors may present significant additional obstacles to the realization of forward-looking statements. Consequences of material differences in results as compared with those anticipated in the forward-looking statements could include, among other things, business disruption, operational problems, financial loss, legal liability to third parties and similar risks, any of which could have a material adverse effect on Dow's or DuPont's consolidated financial condition, results of operations, credit rating or liquidity. None of Dow or DuPont assumes any obligation to publicly provide revisions or updates to any forward-looking statements, whether as a result of new information, future developments or otherwise, should circumstances change, except as otherwise required by securities and other applicable laws. The DuPont oval logo, DuPont and all products, unless otherwise noted, denoted with trademark sign, or registered sign or trademarks are registered trademarks of EI. DuPont Dynamo & Company or its affiliates. View original content with multimedia, http://www.prenewswire.com/news-releases/DuPont-safety-construction-invest-over-400-million-to-increase-Tyvek-capacity-300659154.html source DuPont